Now, are you tired of limiting beliefs holding you back from the success and the abundance that you deserve? Well, did you know that repetition is the key to reprogramming your mind? With repetition, you can implant new thoughts and patterns and beliefs just by creating new neural pathways in the brain that lead to long-lasting results. This is why I love affirmations, because they're like little power boosters for your mind. They work by rewiring your thoughts and your beliefs, helping you to change to a more positive and a more empowered reality. Now, in just a few moments, I'm going to show you 3 affirmations that have the power to help you to manifest whatever it is that you want in your life. Hi, my name is Natalie Ledwell. Now, if this is your first time here, make sure that you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So today you'll uncover 3 affirmations that will help you to manifest whatever it is that you want. Affirmations are so powerful because they can help you with shifting your beliefs. Affirmations help to challenge and replace limiting beliefs that may be holding us back. So when we repeat positive statements, we create new neural pathways in our brains, gradually replacing old thought patterns with way more empowering ones. They also help you with your focus and intention. By consciously stating what it is that you want, you can direct your attention and your energy towards those goals. So this focused mindset helps you to stay aligned with your desires and to take inspired action to bring them to fruition. They also help you with reprogramming your subconscious mind. So your subconscious mind is highly receptive to repetition. So by consistently repeating affirmations, we can reinforce positive beliefs and we can override negative thought patterns that are actually stored in our subconscious mind. So with time and with repetition, these new empowering beliefs become deeply ingrained, shaping our perception and influencing our actions. Now, when you make an affirmation a focal point of your energy and your attention, this becomes extremely powerful. So by aligning your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions with your intention, you direct your energy towards manifesting your deepest desires. Now, this focused energy sets in motion the universal forces that conspire to bring your intention into reality. So this is why affirmations are so effective. So if you'd like to try this today, just pick one of my favorite affirmations for manifestation that I'll be saying in a moment to serve as a consistent reminder to strengthen your belief in the manifestation of your desires and to keep you motivated and inspired along the journey. So the first one is, I change my thoughts and I change my reality. Now, our thoughts have a remarkable influence on our external world. So by affirming this statement, where we empower ourselves to take charge of our reality. Remember, each thought we entertain has the potential to shape our experiences. So with conscious awareness, we can replace negative thoughts with positive ones, rewiring our mindset for success and abundance. Okay, so the next one is, everything I visualize, I can bring into reality. Everything I visualize, I can bring into reality. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting our desires. So as we imagine and vividly picture our dreams, we can create a clear pathway for the manifestation. So by consistently affirming this statement, we strengthen our belief in the immense creative power that's within us all. Trust in the process of visualization and watch as your dreams materialize before your very eyes. Now, my third affirmation is, I set my intentions and I am clear on what I want. I set my intentions and I am clear on what I want. Setting your intentions is a crucial step in manifesting your desires. So by affirming this statement, you can bring focus and clarity to your goals. So when we're clear about what it is that we want, we align our energy and our actions with our deepest desires. So incorporating these affirmations into your daily practice, combined with positive thinking and visualization, power of intention and action, you'll be expediting your manifestation process. Now, if you're looking to manifest more abundance and success specifically, then go to the description box below. There, you'll find a link with a printable PDF ebook with 100 of the best powerful power affirmations to reprogram your mind for success and abundance, and it's completely free. So go ahead and download your 100 Success and Abundance Affirmations PDF right now. And I hope that these tools will help you to manifest more abundance, more happiness, more peace, and more of anything that your heart desires. Again, my name is Natalie Ledwell, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.